The Varla Eagle One came out almost 2 years ago. Varla actually sent me a version of it 18 months ago, and I've been absolutely loving it. What I want to do with you today is share with you, after 1,300 kilometers, which is this many miles, what I like, what I don't like, and where I think there could be potential improvements made to the Eagle One. One of the very first improvements that I would love the Varla Eagle One to have is the stem clamp assembly. It's got these two things here, you loosen up, you tighten them up, but over the time of the last 1,300 kilometers, it's just become a little bit less stable. So I'm probably gonna invest in an upgraded clamp and just replace it with this one. And if you wanna see what that clamp looks like, there's this awesome video made by Glenn. I'm gonna link to it right here, or here, or here, or here. Second thing that I think could be improved upon is the display itself. It wasn't the brightest to start with, and on a day like today, I mean, it's almost impossible to read. But at nighttime, it lights up, and that's kind of cool. The third thing I think that could be improved on the Varla Eagle One is actually the IP rating. But that's the thing for most electric scooters. The IP ratings, except for maybe one or two, are pretty dismal, if I'm honest. You know, if you get stuck in the pouring rain, you could probably get home. But you better be drying it out right away. You better have your fingers crossed that you haven't pooched the battery or messed up the controller. So better IP rating would be fantastic, not just for the Varla Eagle One, but for all scooters. I absolutely love the suspension. The suspension is so comfortable. You hit those big bumps, you hit the sleeping policeman, no problems whatsoever, just bounce right over it. One other thing I really do like about the Varla Eagle One is that it's got a terrific weight capacity of 330 pounds, which is in fact a lot more than I weigh. Yay me. No way, I'm not doing this. Next stop, Michael. I've been sending me on wild goose chases here. Oh. And if you do want to do a lot of trail riding, a little bit of gravel, that sort of thing, I highly recommend using the off-road tires. Now, if you're gonna be 95% street, take the, get the street tire option. But if not, 100% get those off-roading tires. They're amazing. In case you're interested in a helmet that folds up, this thing is really kind of cool. It's just boom, 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 and it folds up. I mean, it's smaller than my head, which is actually pretty small. And then you put it back together. My head's not small, my head's enormous. and it's adjustable, and it's kind of interesting on the inside. Anyway, if you're interested in something like this, I'm gonna put a link down below.
I also did want to mention that Varla are going to be offering some discounts and things like that because of the 2-year anniversary. I'm going to put all those links down below. But what I'd forgotten to mention after editing and filming the video was what actually broke with the Varla over the last, well, 18 months, 1,300 kilometers. And I can safely say that nothing. Right now, I'm just actually getting it ready to top up the brake fluid. Just some minor adjustments on the brake pads. I replaced the brake pads once. The tires are going strong. The brakes are great. The charging is wonderful. Nothing's broken. And you know what? For that, I'm super grateful. Even in my pajamas.
What do I actually love about the Varla Eagle One? I love that I can take it anywhere. I can come down to the dog park and watch a dog swimming. I can take it on the trails. I can take it into the city. The twin 1,000 watt motors are fantastic. They peak, they're really quick. It gets a range of about 40 miles, 40 miles, which is about 64 kilometers, and has a top speed of 40 miles an hour, which is fantastic. It's way beyond what I need. Range is really nice, but I probably need about half that for the speed. I typically go about 20 miles an hour. Hi, sweetheart. And at the end of the day, I'm absolutely loving it. It's a robust architecture. It's been around for a long time. Absolutely love it. That's a really lame way of exiting, but that's how we're gonna get out of this video. as we sit here and wait for an entire Cub Scout troop to go past.